how are you doing? I hope you're keeping safe, and today we are back again with another interesting video. Kama kawaida, you guys. So today I thought of sharing with you guys a weekly facial routine. So first off, we're going to start with the cleanser, which is the first step. I am using a lemon facial cleanser. PS, you can use any cleanser of your choice, and this is not a paid promotion for any of the products that I'm going to be using. You can use any product of your choice. So the first step is the cleanser. I'm going to go in with a piece of cotton wool. For toning, I'm going to be using the rose water, which is a natural toner. Back when my daughter was still young, I took a short beauty course for 3 months. I used to go for the morning sessions, and I'm basically sharing with you what I learned and the steps and the procedures that we were using to do facials even on clients. For the third step, we're going to go in with a facial scrub. I'm using an apricot facial scrub for my skin. Apply a generous amount on your face and use the tips of your fingers to rub all the scrub in your face until it somehow disappears or vanishes. I don't know the right word, but until it clears from your skin. That your hands are clean and not contaminated. Don't touch any other surfaces because we just use the cleanser, which opens up your pores, meaning your skin is very sensitive at this particular moment. So please make sure your hands are each and every step. Please make sure that you rinse your face with cold or warm water according to your preference, or you can use a damp piece of cotton wool. Clean bowl or bucket, pour in your hot water, and you can use that to steam your face. Please note that steaming is advisable for faces with oily skin or acne. If you have normal skin or dry skin, you can opt this step out, or probably you can be doing this once every 2 weeks or once in a month according to the condition of your face. Step is the peel off mask. I prefer using the egg white peel off mask. I'm going to be mixing this in a bowl. Pour in your egg white from 1 piece of egg, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Whisk it together until it forms a white lather at the top. now you can go in with any of your preferred mask, but for me I prefer using the egg white mask because it is said that it contains vitamin A, and applying vitamin A on the skin reduces wrinkles and promotes healing if you have acne or wounds on your face. So we are going to let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry off, and then you can go ahead and rinse it with cold or warm water.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We're going to go in with a toner which closes up the pores. Remember, we opened up the pores using the cleanser at the start of our facial, so now you can use the toner to close up the pores, and after this you rinse it off and apply your moisturizer, which is the final step.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Done with the facial, and my face is feeling much more smoother and I feel great. Remember, you can use this routine once per week or once every 2 weeks depending with the condition of your face. I hope you're going to try it out, and if you do, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I am going to be seeing you on the next one.